Have you ever considered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing problem solving across various industries? This isn't just about robots or science fiction. It's about a whole new way of tackling challenges, making decisions and driving progress. At the heart of AI is something called machine learning. Picture a computer that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually learns from experience. By analyzing past data, these systems can make predictions, make decisions, and even adapt to new situations. It's like teaching a machine to think. And what's more, it's not just a futuristic concept. AI is here and now, actively transforming several sectors. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, enabling retailers to personalize shopping experiences, and allowing financial institutions to predict market trends. So are you ready to explore this brave new world? Intrigued? Now, delve into some real-world examples of AI in action. The healthcare sector is one of the most profound examples of AI's problem-solving abilities. AI algorithms can crunch vast amounts of data to identify potential health risks, even before symptoms appear. They're also revolutionizing diagnostics, enabling doctors to spot diseases like cancer at early stages with unprecedented accuracy. Moreover, AI is tailoring treatment plans to individual patients, ushering in an era of truly personalized healthcare. Take, for instance, AI's pivotal role in diagnosing early-stage cancer. Impressive, isn't it? But healthcare is just the tip of the iceberg. Next up, the retail sector, where AI is reshaping the shopping experience. AI's role in predicting consumer behavior is crucial, helping retailers anticipate demand and adjust their stock accordingly. It also streamlines supply chain management, ensuring products get from point A to point B efficiently. Personalization is another arena where AI shines, tailoring customer experiences. Consider Amazon's recommendation system. AI analyzes your shopping habits and suggests products you might like. So the next time you see that recommended for you tab, know that AI is at work. Now let's shift gears to the financial sector, where AI is helping to mitigate risks. Picture this, a world where fraudulent transactions are swiftly detected and halted thanks to AI technology. Or how about the realm of algorithmic trading, where AI systems make high-speed, data-driven decisions to optimize returns? And let's not forget credit scoring, where AI can predict potential defaulters with uncanny accuracy. By leveraging such technologies, we're seeing a revolution in how we manage and protect our financial assets. AI thus proves to be a game changer in the financial world. As we have seen, AI is already making waves across multiple sectors. From diagnosing diseases in healthcare to optimizing customer experiences in retail to predicting market trends in finance, AI has shown its versatility and potential in problem solving. It's not just a tool, but a revolutionary force, redefining our approach to challenges and opening up a world of possibilities. So the next time you think about problem solving, remember, AI might just have the solution.